welcome to Great Degree College. So myself Sriram, we are discussing about special functions paper. So today I will explain orthogonal properties of Hermite polynomials. In the last class we have learned about generating functions of Hermite polynomials, right? So today orthogonal properties of Hermite polynomials. So integral minus infinity to plus infinity minus e power x square into hn of x into hn of x dx equal to 2 power r into n factorial into minus root of pi into snm. This is the orthogonal property of Hermite polynomial. Here we have two conditions. If m and n is not equal both, so equal to 0. Suppose n equal to m, then the equation is 2 power r into n factorial into 2 pi by snm like this. So pi or root pi into snm. So both are same. So this is the orthogonal properties of Hermite polynomial. So here we have to prove this equation. And we know that generating functions for Hermite polynomials. This equation. Sum into n from 0 to infinity hn of x into t power n by n factorial equal to e power 2dx minus x square t square 2dx minus t square. This is the formula for generating functions for Hermite polynomials. By using this formula, we can prove this orthogonal properties Hermite polynomials equation. So this is the first step, and I will take one more also. Similarly, I will take change the t equal to s and n equal to m. Like that I will take. So the equation is sum into m from 0 to infinity hm of x into h power n by n factorial. Same as usual. E power 2sx minus s square. So this is the two equations I will take. So and now I will multiply with this. Multiplying both equations. Sum into n from 0 to infinity into sum into m from 0 to infinity. Next, hn of this term, hn of x into t power n by n factorial. Hn of x into t power n by n factorial. And next one, hn of x into h power n by n factorial. This term equal to e power 2x minus t square into e power 2x minus s square. So multiplication, no changes. Next one. Simplify this equation. hn of x into hm of x. hn of x into hm of x. Next, here we have by n factorial by m factorial. So by n factorial into m factorial. Next one, t power n into x power m. t power n into x power n. Next, write it RHS. This is like e power a into e power b. That means e power a plus b formula. E power a into e power b means e power a plus b. So this term is a and this term is b. Like this, e power 2dx minus t square plus 2sx minus s square. So multiply this equation with e power minus x square and derivative with respect to x from 0 minus infinity to plus infinity. So derivative of the equation. So sum into n from 0 to infinity as usual, sum into m from 0 to infinity as usual. So multiply with e power minus x square. This equation, both sides. So hn of x into hm of x into minus e power x square derivative. So dx into t power n into x power n by n factorial into n factorial. Right side integration minus infinity to plus infinity. As it was equation e power 2x minus t square plus 2x minus s square into multiplying with e power minus x square. So that's why into e power minus x square. This is the first equation. Okay, simplify. So right side I will take RHS. Okay, integral minus infinity to plus infinity. This is also like e power a into e power b. E power a into e power b formula, e power a plus b. So this 10 plus minus x square. First I will write minus x square plus, look at this, 2dx plus 2sx. So here 2x is common. So 2x into t plus s minus minus t square minus s square. Minus is common, so minus t square plus s square. Okay, next one more. I will add t plus s plus t plus s square minus into t plus s square. So just adding, no change in this equation, just adding. So t plus s square minus t plus s square 0, so no changes. So that's why I will write this. So look at this. Either so we have already formula a plus a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, like this. A square plus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into a into b. Here a equal to x, b equal to 2 plus x. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab, 2ab. Like this we can write. So the formula becomes minus common x minus t plus x whole square. This is the a minus b whole square formula. Okay. Next one. And we have 2ds also. So e power 2ds into integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus x minus of x minus t plus whole square into dx. So this is the term. Simplify this. Suppose x minus t plus x minus dx put equal to y. Suppose this term is y. So derivation dy. So x term x means 1 minus this term dx. So dx equal to dy. So this term x minus t plus whole square equal to y. So y square into dx equal to dy. So minus y square dy. This term is as usual. So look at here. We have one formula minus integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus y square into dy is become root pi. So that's why I will write root pi. E power 2ds into root pi. This is the term. And next one. So RH is equal to this one e power 2ds into root pi. So I will write this. LH is equal to RHS. This is the equation. So root pi into e power 2ds becomes, we can write sum it to n from 0 to infinity into 2ds power n by n factorial. So we can write like this. So sum it to n from 0 to infinity 2ts power 2th power n 2 power n into t power n into x power n. So 2 power n t power n into x power n pi 2 power n into root pi by n factorial. So no changes, just try simplify it. Okay, that is the second equation. From equation 1 RHS, equation 2 RHS, at any time s and t are equal. Suppose s is not equal, the coefficients of t power n, x power n on that above equation you can get 1 by n factorial into n factorial integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus x square into hn of x into hn of x dx equal to 0. So because of s not equal to n, so that is the equation. Suppose if m is not equal to m, the equation becomes minus infinity to plus infinity minus e power minus x square hn of x. So total equation as it is, and suppose n is not equal to m, this is 1. Okay, so this is the equation 3. So again equating t power m, t power n, x power n, equating the coefficients of t power n and x power n, we can get 1 by n factorial into n factorial. Because of here first one we have first case we have taken n is not equal to m. So second case n is equal to m. So here n is equal to m. So m 1 by n factorial into n factorial. So m is equal to n. So n factorial into n factorial. 1 by n factorial into n factorial into minus into plus infinity minus e x square Here also e power n into hn of x, hn of x. So m equal to n. So hn of x into hn of x. hn of x whole square a into a square like that. So hn of x whole square into dx equal to 2 power n into root pi. 2 power n into root pi into n factorial. So that is the equation 4. So that is we can get. Next, let SNM equal to, if m is not equal to m, let take SNM equal to 0. Just two times, simple, two cases. If SNM is equal, if m not equal to m, SNM is equal to 0. If n is m equal to m, SNM equal to 1. That is the case. So LHS, integral minus infinity to plus infinity ex square into hn of x into hm of x dx equal to, suppose in case n is equal to m, this is equal to 0. If n is equal to m, 1. So 1 into 2 power n into n factorial root pi into SNM. That is the equation. That is the orthogonal properties of Hermite polynomials. Orthogonal properties of Hermite polynomials. Integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus x square into hn of x dx equal to 2 power n into n power n factorial into root pi SNM. So here we have proved this equation. That is that. So now we learn about orthogonal properties of Hermite polynomials. So next topic is Rorschach's formula for Hermite polynomials. The formula, what is the equation? Hn of x equal to minus 1 power n into e power x square into d power n by dx power n into e power minus x square. This formula is become Rorschach's formula for Hermite polynomials. So here we have to prove this. So how do we know that the generating functions of Hermite polynomials? What is the equation? Coming to n from 0 to infinity d power n by n factorial hn of x equal to e power 2x minus t square. We know this is the generating functions for Hermite polynomials. By using this formula, we can solve this Rorschach's formula. So in this equation, I will take RHS. From the Taylor's theory, RHS becomes like this. Coming to n from 0 to infinity dou n by dou t power n into e power 2x minus t square into t power n by n factorial. So this is the equation 2. Okay, equating the coefficients of t power n. In this second equation, equating the coefficients of t power n. So the coefficients are, we can get hn of x equal to d power n by dt power n into e power 2x minus t square. By cancelling n factorial on both sides, we can get hn of x into equal to dou power n by dou t power n into e power 2x minus t square at t equal to 0. This is the coefficient equating. Next step, dou n by dou t power n into e power 2x. So just adding plus x square minus x square. X square plus x square minus x square 0. So no changes in this equation. Just adding x square minus x square. So adding this. And next, dou square by dou t power n into e power x square minus x minus t whole square. That means a plus b formula, a minus b whole square formula. So by using a minus b whole square formula, we can write 2tx minus t square plus x square minus x square e power x square minus x minus t whole square. This is the formula at t equal to 0. Next step, e power x. This is like e power x into e power a into e power b becomes e power a plus b. E power a. So this is the e power a and e power b. Okay, dx square dou power n by dou t power n into e power minus x minus t whole square at t equal to 0. So hn of x equal to e power x square into minus 1 into, so how it is, how do you know the formula? Dou power n by dou t power n into f of x minus t equal to minus 1 power d power n by dx power n. into f of x minus t. We have this formula. By using this formula, we can write these two like this. So minus 1 power n into dou power n by dou x power n into f of x minus t. That means e power minus of x minus t whole square like this. So next, hn of x equal to e power x square into minus 1 power n. Here t at t equal to 0. So substitute the value, substitute the t value 0 in this equation. So this is 0. So minus x, e power minus x square. hn of x equal to e power x square into minus 1 power n into d power n by dx square n into e power x square. That is the equation. And next step, hn of x equal to minus 1 power n into e power x square into d power n by dx square x power n into e power minus x square. So no changes as it is. So hn of x equal to minus 1 into e power minus x square into d power n by dx power n e power minus x square. This is the Rodriguez formula for Hermite polynomials. So we have proved this equation. So this is the Rodriguez formula, Rodriguez for Hermite polynomials. So today we will learn two topics. First one is orthogonal properties of Hermite polynomials, and second one is Rodriguez formula for Hermite polynomials. So this is the topic. And next class we will learn one more topic. Okay.